we are. Many dinners later, mission accomplished.
Now, Rocky, I know that you are a surgeon and have an eye for reptiles. What else? Any siblings?
Yeah, younger sister. Lives in Baton Rouge.
And your parents? Natalie tells me that they emigrated from Iran, so does that mean that your family is Muslim?
No, we're actually Zoroastrian.
Zoroastrian. I'm sorry.
Yeah, it dates back to ancient Persia. Three main pillars: good thoughts, good words, good deeds. Not always so easy.